Today's lesson is writing numbers. So what you need is you need a tray and you need some sand. Now I'm just using some sand from a sand pit. If you don't have that sand, you're welcome to use sand out of your flower beds. If you don't have that, you can use flour, you can use baby powder, you can even use shaving cream. All that you want is the texture of something on your child's finger, because that helps them to kind of aesthetically experience this, and it helps them to memorize what they are actually doing. So you're just going to add this into the tray, and then you're just going to make a flat surface for them to actually write it. Now we're going to practice writing the numbers, but it is very important that they write the numbers the right way. So I'm going to show you on a piece of paper how to write the numbers, and then you're going to practice with them. So obviously they're going to use their index finger. If they're right-handed, they use their right hand. If they're left-handed, they use their left hand. So we're going to do 1, where they start at the top, and then obviously they draw down. Then they're going to do 2, then 3, 4, and 5. Now with each number you're going to practice over and over and over, and they can play a little bit in the sand. So you can do 1, and then they can play, and then let's do 1 again, and then play, and then let's do 1 again, and play and play and play. But now I'm just going to show you the correct number formation, because it's difficult to see when you are actually playing in sand. So when we are doing 1, our focus is that we go from the top and we go all the way down. It's a straight stripe, so you can tell them it's like drawing a stick. So from the top all the way down, it's a straight stripe. It's like a stick. When we do 2, we start, we go round like a curly, down skew, and then straight. So it's round like a curly, skew, and then straight. Okay, then when we do 3, it's like 2 round like a car, round like a car. Okay, so we start, we go round like a car, round like a car. Then when we do 4, now a lot of people do 4 straight. Okay, 4 is also actually skew, it's at a slant. If they're drawing it straight at the moment, it's not a problem, because at the moment we're just focusing on the number. But 4 is actually skew, straight, and then it's got a little line. And then 5, we draw its head, its tummy, and then its hat. So head, tummy, hat. Only focusing on the numbers from 1 to 5. If you see your child can only do 1 and then 2, stay with that. Not forcing them to do from 1 to 5. You stay with the number that they are on. So if they can do 1 and then you see they're really battling with this round, skew, and then line, stay with 2. And you practice 2 in the sand, keep it in the sand, make them draw it on the bath when they're in the water, make them do it when they're playing. They can just draw it on the table for you with their finger, on the floor when they're playing, on their carpet, and then stay with that. And then the next day you can practice 3. Let's go around like a car. Let's go around like a car. Let's go around like a car. And then the next day you might do 4. Let's go skew, straight line, skew, straight line, skew, straight line. And then you just keep going over and over and over. And then slowly we'll keep practicing these numbers for a while.